Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we learn about reptiles. Do you know what are reptiles? Let me tell you. A reptile is an animal with dry scaly skin. Reptiles are those animals who crawl on the ground, like snakes, lizards, and turtles. Wow! Look at this. This is reptiles. First one is lizard. Second one is tortoise. Third one is crocodile. And last one is snake. This is lizard. A lizard has four legs. Four legs. A long body. And a tail. And a tail.
It's Larry the lizard with a curly tail. Touch his skin, he's got bumpy scale.
This is tortoise. This is tortoise. A tortoise is an animal with a big hard shell on the back. Tortoise can be very small or very big.
I am the slow and steady one in the hare and tortoise story. The race who won for being slow, I mean.
This is crocodile. This is crocodile. A crocodile is it's so big, strong reptile that live in water. Crocodile पानी में रहता है ना? Yes. Crocodile has long bodies, big mouth, full of sharp teeth. Teeth देखे हैं ना आपने? Teeth कितने sharp होते हैं crocodile के? Yes. Let's move on the next slide.
I am the great alligator. I swoosh and splash in water. I let out a growl or bellow, and that's how I say hello.
This is snake. Snake have long skinny body and no legs. ये तो leg ही नहीं होते. They come in many different colors and size, like big and small.
I'm the fascinating snake. I can make you with fear shake. I'm a reptile in tropical regions found.
Now it is classwork time. Let's solve the question.
Now it's quiz time. Select the animal that are reptiles. This is fish. This is not reptile. This is lion. This is not reptile. This is lizard. Yes, this is reptile. This is elephant. So this is not reptile. This is crocodile. Yes, this is reptile. This is tortoise. Yes, this is reptile. This is bird. This is reptile? No, this is not reptile. This is, yes, snake. Yes, this is reptile.
Reptile, you got style. Snake, turtle, lizard, alligator, crocodile. Reptile, you got style.
Do it yourself. Now it is worksheet time. Kids to practice what they have learned now. Parents can download the worksheet from the link provided in the description below. After completing the worksheet, the same needs to be mailed at edu@udayankidz.com. Our academic team will review and return the checked sheet to the same email ID.
Watch out, there's reptiles about. Scaly skin, toothy grin, watch out.
I hope you all enjoyed this video. See you in next video. Bye bye.
Let's make learning fun for everyone. Like, share and subscribe Udayan Kidz.